Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lindylauren, and yeah, in today's video I'm doing a makeup tutorial. I hope you guys find this video quite simple and easy to follow like I did anyways. First of all, I'm using my first primer from Revolution. Okay, so the primer is going to make my skin very smooth, and it makes it very easy to apply the foundation as well. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm gonna start with doing my eyebrows, and yeah, I'm not the best at this, so you're gonna have to bear with me. But anyways guys, I'm using my 17 seconds concealer, and yeah, that is a shade lighter than my skin tone, actually just a shade lighter. It's not too light. And at the top of my eyebrows, I am using a darker concealer to highlight my eyebrows, because I don't like using a lighter concealer on my eyebrows. That's just my preference. And anyways, moving on to foundation, I'm mixing two foundations, which is Sleek and L'Oreal Paris True Match foundation. And yes, I always spray my face before putting foundation. Before I apply my foundation, I find it very easy to apply after that. So yeah. Okay, so make sure to take your time when blending your foundation, you guys, because foundation takes a lot of time to blend, and yeah, you have to get it right. So yeah, I believe I blended some of it off camera as well, so it won't take too much time, guys. Okay, now I'm moving on to concealer. I am using my white concealer, which is from Technic, and yeah, I love this technique, you guys. It works so well. Oh my gosh. Since I saw this on, I can't remember who I saw this on, but you guys, I love this technique so much. Okay, you guys, so now I'm moving on to my 17 seconds concealer, which is, I think this one is two shades lighter than my skin. So yeah, that works well. Anyways, yeah, that's me applying that one, and then you're gonna blend. Guys, you have to make sure that you proper blend, because I know there was a time where I didn't blend my concealer, but now I try my best to blend. It takes so much time, but it's worth it at the end of the day. Okay, moving on to my cream contour, I'm using MUA Pro Base Foundation Stick, and yeah, this one works so well, you guys. I love it. I've had it for some time now, and it's so good, you guys. Anyways, yeah, that's me. And on the other side of the stick, it's a tiny brush as well, so that's the one I'm using. And then after the brush, I prefer to use a beauty blender to just make sure that I blend everything together, so you don't have any harsh lines. Okay, to set my face, I'm going to use the Sleek setting and baking powder. And yeah, I'm not applying a lot at the moment. I'm just building it up, as you guys can see. And I'm using my beauty blender as well. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to apply a powder on my eyebrows because I believe they're a bit too dark for my liking. So to dim them down, I'll put a powder as well. So anyways, I'm going in with my PS Nudes eyeshadow.
It's something that moves.
Okay, guys, I believe this is the Mary Kay baking powder, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, that's the one I'm using right now, and I'm going to use that to contour on my nose, my cheeks, and my forehead, and on my chin as well, and below my cheeks as well. Yeah, that's me brushing off the excess powder on my eyebrows. They're much better now. I'm quite happy with that. Guys, now I'm gonna go in with my SHEGLAM and DARCY blush, which was from Shein, and this one is orange as well, you guys. Previously I was using a pink blush, but now I'm obsessed with this orange blush. Never knew I needed it, but oh my gosh, it works wonders. But okay, quick tip, you guys: when using a cream blush, you have to apply it one side at a time, and make sure to blend it as soon as, because it dries up fairly quickly. Now I'm gonna go back in with my sleek setting powder to set my face again, because I have a very busy day, so I need my makeup to be set and make sure that it doesn't move.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
if you made it this far and you have not subscribed already, be sure to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. Bye, guys.